Hi, my name is Dr. David Lee, physical therapist, and I'm going to be going over some foam roller exercises for shin splints. The first one we're going to do is called the back of the calf. So basically we're going to be working right here in the back of the leg, the lower leg. So from here, what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put the foam roller right there on the back of the lower leg. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find a tender area. You're going to work that, bring your foot up and down. If you need a little bit more weight on there, you can go ahead and push with the other leg. So you're gonna bring the foot up and down. And then we're gonna go into the middle of the calf, so the inside. So you're gonna go ahead and turn your leg this way. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna find that tender spot. You're gonna hold it there, bring your foot up and down. If you need a little bit more, you're gonna put your foot on top there. Okay. So yeah, so usually if you hold it for about a minute or two, it'll release, and then you're gonna go ahead and move on to the next spot. From there, we're gonna go ahead and work the top of the shin here. So this muscle is called your tibialis anterior. So what we're gonna do from here is you're gonna go this way onto the foam roller. We wanna make sure that we're working more the outside of the shin. Okay, so basically you're gonna tilt your foot inwards like this. So you're gonna bring your knee out and you're gonna turn towards your pinky toe. So from here, you're gonna go ahead and put your shin onto the foam roller. You're gonna turn out a little bit. You're gonna find those tender spots here. And then you're gonna hang out about a minute or two, let it release. If you want a little bit more weight on there, you can bring the other leg to help out. And then you're going to go ahead and find those spots, work up and down that shin. Okay. And then those were some exercises to help you out, some foam roller exercises to help you out with your shin splints. If you have any more questions or if your symptoms continue to persist, please consult your medical professional.